Today we're going to be using Google Slides to design our own fake iPhones. So the first thing you're going to do is open the template that is in Google Classroom, and that should bring you here. This is going to be our main screen, our lock screen of our phone. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click for the title, and you're going to name it Your Name's Phone. Now, if you want, you can highlight that. You can go in and change your font. I'm going to go with that one. If you want to change your size, you can. And you can also change your color as well. I'm going to make mine nice and purple. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add an image to my lock screen. So I'm going to come up here to my image button. And I'm going to search the web. And so I'm going to do dragon and see what I come up with. And I'm going to find an image that I want on my lock screen. So I think I'm going to use, I don't know about that. Let's grab this one. So I'm going to go ahead and put him in. And then depending on your picture, you may need to change the size of it so that it will fit on the screen and not go over onto the edges of your phone. So I'm going to kind of line that up where I want it. And you want to make sure you leave some space at the bottom here because we're going to add a new option down here. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a button down here that is going to take me to my apps when I unlock my phone. I'm going to come up to my shape menu right up here. It's right next to my picture menu. And I have all different shapes I can use. What shape you choose is up to you. I like arrows for this one, so I'm going to grab this one right here. That gives me my little plus sign, and I'm just going to draw out my arrow. So now I have this arrow, and remember, this is also a text box. Before I put any writing in it, I'm going to customize it a little. I'm going to make sure it's still selected. My paint bucket is up here, what color it's going to be, and I'm going to go with a light purple for that one. This pencil icon is my border color. I'm going to go with maybe hot pink for that. And the next button is how thick the border is going to be. I think 3 pixels is pretty good. If I want to change it to a dotted or dashed line, that's here, but I'm going to keep mine as a solid line. So this is going to be my one to go to my next page. I'm going to double click in it to get my blinking line. And again, you can change your font. And I'm going to put click to unlock. I'm going to select that. I'm going to make that a little bit bigger so we can see it easier. Oh, that looks much better. And again, if you want, you can change the color for your writing. I'm going to leave mine black because I think I like the way that looks. And then maybe now that I have that, I'm going to move this down a little, kind of center it. That looks a little better to me. So this is the first part of my phone. So that's step 1. All right. Now that the first part of my phone is done, it's time to add my app screen. To do this, we're going to come up here to the plus button, but we're not going to click plus. We're going to click the triangle next to it. There's 2 different ones. This first one is the one we just used. For everything else, we're going to use this one right here. It's called iPhone template. So I'm going to click on it. That's going to give me a new one. So right now, this has just a blank screen, and it has click to add subtitle. So I'm going to click in here, and we're just going to call this apps. And again, if you want, you can change your font. You can leave it the way you want, whatever you choose. I'm going to make that a little bigger, and I'm going to make that bold. So that looks pretty good. Now, before I go on to the next step, I'm going to go back to slide number 1. I'm going to click one time on my click to unlock button so that it is selected. Now what I want to happen is when I click this, it should take me to my next slide, my apps. So I'm going to come up here and look for this little link button. This is insert link. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to come down here to slides in this presentation. This is slide number 1. This is slide number 2. Slide 2 is my apps, so I'm going to click slide 2, and that's done. So now if I go into slideshow mode, here's my phone, and if I click here, it should take me to my apps page. It's pretty easy. So now I'm back here on apps, and I'm going to decide what apps I'm going to have on my phone. I'm going to make each app a picture. So I'm going to come up here, I'm going to search my web again, and my first one is going to be music. So let's see, what looks good for music? I think I'm going to go with this one. Let's see how this looks. That's not bad, except the black doesn't look that great. Kind of blends in with my background. So I'm going to delete that. We're going to try again. Let's go find a different one. I'm going to do music note and see if I find anything. Ooh, I like this blue one. So I'm going to grab that one. That looks better, but it's super big. So we're going to shrink it on down and make this our first one. So there's my music. Then let's see, my next app, I'm gonna search and let's do cats. I'm gonna find a cat picture. Ooh, I think that one's cute. Let's see. Oh, I don't like the white background on that one. So let's try again. I'm gonna do cats PNG because a lot of times PNG will give you a clear or transparent background. So let's try this one and see if this works. Oh, I like that. That's cute. Again, shrink it down. We're going to put it next to this one. So now I'm going to go in and add a few more pictures, and then I'll come back and show you the next step. All right, so now I have a bunch of apps. I've decided I'm going to have a music. I'm going to have a cat one. We're going to do the scratch link. We're going to do dogs, I'm going to do video games, and I'm going to do books. Now, when you choose yours, you can choose whatever you want, except for one. You must do one for scratch. It doesn't have to be the same picture, but one of your apps is going to be going to your scratch final project, so we definitely want a button for that. Now, before we move on, we're going to make one more button at the bottom, and that's going to be a link back to the lock screen so we can lock our phone when we're done. So I'm going to go back to my shapes. I'm going to choose a shape. I'm going to grab this one, stretch it out. Now again, you can change the color, the border, and all of that. I'm going to just put this in real quick. We're going to do back to lock screen. All right. So now I have all of my app buttons. I'm going to start by coming to this one and selecting it. And just like we did with the first one, I'm going to come up to my link button. I'm going to click slides in this presentation, and this one is going to go back to slide number 1. That's my lock screen. The rest of these I'll come back to in a few minutes. So now I'm going to come and add my next slide. So I'm going to come up to my little plus button and triangle. Just like before, click my triangle. We're going to go to iPhone template. And this one is going to be music. Now, again, you can always go in and change the font and the color and all of that, but just to make this faster, I'm going to skip that part for now. So now that I have this, I'm going to go in and I'm going to go to Insert. I'm going to come down to Video, and I'm going to search for a song that I like. Let's see, I'm going to do, I did If I Had $1 Million on the last one. This one, I'm going to do a song. Let me see. No, that's not what I'm looking for. Let's try this one. All right, so I'm going to grab this one, and I'm going to insert it in there. So now I can kind of move it around a little bit. So you're going to see a little preview over here. And one thing I like to do is where it says play on click, I'm going to change it to play automatically so that when someone opens this, they're going to have it start playing right away. Next, I'm going to grab my shape tool again. I'm going to pick a shape and I'm going to put a shape here and I'm going to write a little bit about it. All right. So now there's one last step on this one. So I'm going to come back to shapes one more time. I'm going to pick a different shape, a little bit different. And this one is going to say back to apps. So now I'm going to select this, go up to my link tool, slides in this presentation, and my apps are slide number 2, so I'm going to select that. This way I can go back and pick a different app. I'm going to come back here. I'm going to click on my musical note, and I'm going to close this menu so I can see the whole thing here. Here's my link button, so I'm going to click on link, slides in this presentation, and my music slide is slide number 3. So now this will take me to this slide. So let's test what we have so far. Slideshow, I'm on my main screen. I'm going to go to my apps. I'm going to go to my music. Here comes my music. All right, and then if I click back to apps, it should take me back here so I can try another one. So that's the basics. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come down to slide 3. We're going to add another iPhone template, and we're going to do the next one. This one I'm going to make cats. And then I can add pictures. I could add another video, whatever I want. You want to make sure that you are adding a button to go back to your apps on each one. All right, so I'm going to add this one. And apps are slide number 2 again. And I'm going to add one more here just to show you what to do for the scratch one. So this is going to be scratch. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go search the Scratch logo, and I think I'll use, let me try this one. Oh, that's Scratch Junior. I don't want that. Let's try this one. Oh, that's better. So I'm going to put this here. And I'm going to add my button to go back. So I'm going to add my link to slide 2. I'm going to add a text box. This is my Scratch final project. It is a clicker game where you collect coins. So I'm going to write a little bit about it. So now I'm going to go to Scratch. I'm going to go find my final project. So I'm going to go in, and which one do I want? I'm going to do this one. So I'm going to go to my coin game. I'm going to get the link. I'm going to go back here, click on Scratch, click my link button, and instead of looking for a slide, I'm going to paste my link in and click apply. So this now goes to my final project. So if I pull this up and I click on Scratch, it's going to open up my final project for me. So that's it. Now I'm just going to go in and finish the rest of my apps. Make sure each one links from here. So I'm going to come back here. I'm going to click on my Scratch Cat. My Scratch is slide 5. So I'm going to come here and grab slide 5. My cats need to link. They are slide number 4. And we're doing well so far. So now I'll go in, finish the rest of them, and we will be all set with our new fake phone.